All right. This is Uptick Talk, episode 10. In this episode, we've got a community member named Xavier helping us, and he'll be showing us around in preparation for GoN, or Game of NFTs. Xavier will be covering issuing NFTs, minting NFTs, cross-chain NFT transfers from Cosmos SDK chains to other Cosmos SDK chains, and NFT transfers from Cosmos SDK chains to Wasm chains. Xavier, I'm super excited. Let's go.
Okay. Today I will talk about how to participate in GoNs. When we prepare for the NFT, the next step is we should transfer NFT from one chain to another. Okay, that's right. Okay, I will show you the logic of the cross chain. It's Uptick, and this is ArisNet. And as I mentioned before, they are both SDK or Cosmos SDK chain. If we want to do the cross chain transfer, and then we should have assets, enough assets. So the first step, as I mentioned before, we issue the NFT. Okay, it will come step. So you can see the document. Okay. This is a document. Okay, we can copy it to. Make it clear. Okay, we can use the collection issue command. This is a command of the train. Okay, we can see the document in detail. Okay, this is need ID and need from means the one who want to deploy the contract, and name. This is the contract or the DM names or symbols. Okay, this is kind of a lot of parameters that we can. Okay, because I have created this before, so I change the name, change the ID to today. Okay. So there's 6. Okay, this is new one, and this Uptick. This is the key or the wallet name. Okay, you can see it. Okay. So you can Uptick the please show this kind of thing. Yeah, this is this wallet. And we can check if it has enough coin or test coin. We can use file tag and the balance. Okay. We have the Uptick keys. Uptick keys name, and the Uptick keys have enough coins. Yeah, test points. So it is okay for transfer. And then we have name. Yes, you can have this is the name of the contract. You can have a name. Okay, we can just have kind of name and the symbol, and we can use some symbol. Just so you can use the symbol you like. So there are many parameters. Okay, which are the setting for the transaction, and there are days, and this is all the parameters we should run the or you should create contract. So of course we should run it. Okay. That's the place we should run the command. Okay. It seems okay. There's no error. Okay. This is so if you want to check if it is successful or not, you can use the command line. Yeah. This is the command line. This command line. Okay, because I have said that because the funnel is becoming changed, so I can use it Q1. Okay, you can see the information. Yes, it means that you have successfully deployed the contract. In fact, this is a client. You can think this is a client line, and you should send the question command to the server or to the chain, and the chain will get back the information.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just one. Just do you ask the contract is okay or not, or is great or not? And they okay, they give you information as great, and the information is as follow. Oh, this is a terminal, or this is terminal tools used for. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So okay, then let's say we issue okay, so I issue the contract. The name is okay, the name is this. Was it? Oh, this is not name. Okay, this is ID. Oh, the ID is this. Okay, we can get this ID. But the contract is not enough. NFT they should have should IDs. Contract just like a collection, like a yes, like a pool, and NFT is everything. There is a little yes, there is the assets. Yes, you should have NFT. This is a big one, and mint is mint. Yes, a small NFT.
Hmm.
Okay, we can use the command. Okay, okay, we use the command ID is this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we said that this is token ID. Yes, it's token. This is class ID. This is token ID. The token ID is okay, 001, and this is open the same, and the information you want to deploy. Yes, deploy the NFT. Like this is, for example, this is URL, and so you have a picture. The picture URL is yes, there. Okay, we'll check it. Maybe it will just take a little time.
No problem.
Okay, so what's the error? Oh, it means choose timeout. Okay, sometimes we have this kind of, yes, there's some kind of error. Sometimes it is successful, sometimes not. So
Mm-hmm.
we should check whether it is successful or not. Because of network problems, when you do the cross-chain transformation or transform, they will have this kind of error. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you check whether we it or not. We can use this kind of command to check. Okay. Okay, you see there's a no do not have this. So this means that the transfer the link is filled. So we should filled. So we should do it again. Okay, because some network problems, so we should do it again. Okay, now have have the yes, we now have the information or the token ID. As you can see, token ID. Well, we use a command to ask the train
Mm-hmm.
whether the train has the token ID of 001, and this is the price from the train. They say we have the train ID and the name and all. So it means that you have successfully mint NFT.
Hmm.
So because the cross train is yes is not so stable because of network or something else. So maybe sometimes you should run it several times to to com to check and to confirm. So in the game, so this is take a little time. So when we do the GON, we should pay attention to this kind of questions. Okay, the problems. Okay, this one. Okay, we link the NFT and we have the assets, and so we should we want to yes transfer or do the cross chain transfer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we call so we copy command line and edit this editing this in this yeah in this window.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is trans. Okay, I will explain the command line. This is the transfer the cross train transfer command line. That means transfer and transfer. This is the we call the port ID as NFT transfer for the ID. This is the channel. The channel means, as I mentioned before, the channel you need this channel. Yeah, if you want, because you want to transfer from Uptick to Iris, so because you start from the Uptick, so you should use the Uptick channel. So this is channel 3. Okay. This is the channel. This is the Iris account to receive. Yeah, to receive the NFT. Okay. This is the as I said, this is the contract ID. I can change it to new one, and this is the token ID. Okay, this is chain ID. Okay, because Uptick is to change this, and this is the fee. So this is fee, and this is from yes, from account I created for. Okay, this is yes, this is block mode means we'll wait for the result. Yes means one means yes, you do not need to type yes or no to continue. Okay, you can say yes, and we will do it without confirming windows. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, now let's do it now. Okay. Channel 3. Okay. Yes, we channel 3 to transfer to Iris. And the receive address is this. Okay, it seems okay now. So we are not sure whether it's okay or not. So we should use the command line to check. And the first check is Uptick train. So we can say check. We can use this train to check whether whether the token is in the train. So this is kind of check. Okay. Okay. Okay, it means that query to a network to the Uptick train whether the token and the class and the token exists or not. Okay. Okay, there's something wrong. It means they do not have changed the address. Okay, this is the address we mint the NFT. Just have a look. Uptick keys. Uptick keys. Show. Okay. You can see when we use the from we use this account to mint. Okay, this means Uptick key. You see the account the address is the same. So this means that the transfer is not successful. We can do it again. Okay. And come back this. Okay, let's do it again. Oh, maybe I make a mistake. Okay, it is now okay now. You can see. So how do you see it is okay now? Okay, you can just see the address. You can see the owner changed. It means okay. We should copy the okay, copy it. Okay. When first we mint with the account shows keys show Uptick. This is we use the command here. You can see the address is this. We mint the address is this. So when we do the transfer and the owner change it to this account. Okay. So this is different. You can see. So we call this escrow. This is account that we can just put the NFT, but and no one can transfer it. Okay, we check from the Uptick is okay. So we send it. And we should check on the ArisNet and to see if we receive the Aris the NFT or not. So we can use the Aris. Okay, this is a different chain, have different command okay. The Uptick D is the Aris. Okay, can see it. Okay, you can see we receive it. Okay, this is ID. But the ID is different, so we can decode the ID. Okay, so we can decode the ID. Okay, you can see this is the Uptick. Okay, this is today's day. Yes, date, and this is the channel, and this is so you should pay attention to channel 17. Okay, this is the channel we have at 17. Yeah,
Nice.
because the NFT is come to the ArisNet, so the channel is changed to this channel. Okay.
Yep.
So from this time, we can see. Okay, we can check the information. Okay, this is the NFT stat, and the diamond is the ID is this. Okay, the ID is this, and the token ID is this, and the owner, yes, the owner is this. It is account. Okay. Okay, the ID. And because on Uptick chain, this is the owner changes to the escrow, so we can that this is you can change the color. So you can see the average is the asset is to the ArisNet, and the information is follow. So the next step we should transfer back, transfer back from the ArisNet and to Uptick. Okay. Okay, this is Uptick. Okay, we can change that. Okay, this is Uptick. Okay, when I see Aris, because it transfer back, so usually is Aris among line, and this is channel. Okay, this is channel 17, and this is I want to this account. That's just one. Yes, this one. Okay, can you see? Okay, you can change this color. Yes, I can. I want to transfer back this time to this account and from this account. Yes, because the owner is this account. Yes, 749G. Okay. So we want to change that. Okay, this is negative C and this is the same. So we want to change back this. We want to change this. The new one. Okay, we do it. Okay, we do it. Yes. Okay. It seems okay now. It seems
right.
So this is a return from the website. So it's a change. So it's okay now. Okay. So first we have check. So do the NFT and do the color tree. You need to check every step. Okay, we can first check. First check on Aris whether the account has or has the NFT. Okay. Okay, you can see black. So it means that the NFT has transferred from the Aris and GoN the NFT. Yes, this is different. This is and transfer out to add to Uptick, and this just in the escrow account, and then back, and they will burn the NFT. This is burn, not in the escrow account. This is different. This is yeah, this is different. Okay, so pay attention to this is burn. Okay, burn. It's because it's burn, I will change the color.
Mm-hmm.
Change the color. Okay, change the color to okay. Okay, they burned. Okay, then we check whether the account, the NFT is back or not. Okay. This is okay. You can see the back to this account. Okay, you see this account. So this to back to the account, and we can say change the NFT back, and we can change color to back, and this is okay. This is the process to transfer from Uptick to Alice, and then back on back. Okay, so you should pay attention to the channel. This is channel, and this is okay. This is 17. Okay, and you should pay attention to 7, and you should pay attention to when transfer from the original train, the NFT is not burned, but in an escrow account. Then when transfer back, the NFT will be burned, and you can see there is no NFT. Okay, just have to say there no NFT as burned, and get back to the original train. Okay,
nice.
This is the protocol, or this is one of the most important protocol of the ICS 721. Okay, as I mentioned before, this is maybe this is across the time I will take it out. I will do it quickly. And then this is the format, or this is the case when we transfer between SDC train, and then we can transfer it. And the Stargate is different from ArithNet. It is the Wasm train. Yes. Yes, Wasm train. Okay, we have the same. We already have linked the NFT. Now the state is we have NFT in the Uptick train, and we want to we also want to transfer to Stargate. Okay, you can see the command line. This is command line. Okay. Can see the editor. Okay, because the difference is the channel becomes 6. Okay, the channel is record in this, okay, become 6. Okay, Uptick and Stargate, channel 6. And the account, okay, we can use the data account, and the transfer we can also use our base. And this is chain class ID. This is the token ID, and from Iris, from Uptick, yes, from train, and fees, and update counts. Okay, yes. Okay, can do it. Okay. Then we use the command line to to track in the Uptick train. We track it. Okay. Almost the same logic. Okay. We can check whether the NFT is in the Uptick chain or not. Okay. Okay, this is not for me. Not maybe just sometimes take a little time. Okay, I can do it. Yeah. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you can see the account change. Okay. This is not okay. This is another escrow account. Okay. This is escrow account for Alice. Okay. This is escrow account for Stargate. Okay. So the same logic, that the asset is into the coming to the escrow account, and okay, then we can we should train ID. Okay, this is okay. We can build the train ID. Okay, this is 201. Okay. So we should check whether the NFT is in the Stargate train. Okay. Okay, Stargate. Okay, command line. Okay. Okay, we can check Stargate. Okay. This is the bridge. This is bridge bridge contract. So different from the SDP train. In the Wasm train, they have bridge contract. This is the bridge contract is set by the instruction or by the or by the arithmetic or by the Uptick. Okay, not by the user. Okay. This is the channel ID. Okay, this is channel ID. Okay, 200, and this is the account. This is the class ID. And by use this command line, which we can get the contract. Okay, contract of the NFT. Okay. Let me just see it. Okay, this is contract element. The logic is that this is bridge, and we should also have NFT. Yes, we should have NFT. Header. NFT. Yes, contract. The contract address is this. With bridge contract, the NFT is transferred from Iris from Uptick to Stargate, and with NFT contract, the NFT address is created in the Stargate train. Okay. Okay, we can query it. Okay, this is the okay. This is the NFT contract address, and we can see whether it is transferred or not. Okay, you can see the information has transferred. Okay, open something. Okay. So it seems that the NFT is transferred from Uptick to Stargate, and okay, with the bridge contract is this, and with the NFT contract is that. So you can see the information. Okay. Okay, and then we want to check when transfer back to Uptick. Okay, you can see how to transfer back to Uptick. Okay, before transfer back to Uptick, we should decode the information. Okay, the transfer information, the receiver, and something. This is the difference between Cosmos DK and Wasm. In Wasm, you need to decode the receiver, the chain ID, and the timeout, anything some information. Okay, with the base, yes, with the base 64. Okay, which is encoded. Okay, this is encoded information. Okay, and then we should transfer back. Okay, to transfer back, you should use the NFT contraction. Yes, this is NFT contraction. Okay, because you transfer back from this NFT contract, so you should need to import the NFT contract address. Okay, and then this is a bridge. Okay, this is bridge. Bridge is the same, not need to change. Okay, this is the bridge. Okay, GH. Okay, bridge is same, and the token ID is as mentioned, this is ID. And this is message. Message is encode 1. Okay. Okay. And with this command line, you can see we transfer back to the Uptick chain. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay, the back. So we transfer back, and we want to check whether okay. This we will check in the Uptick chain to see whether the NFT is received or not.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the content changed. Okay.
You
can see the content changed.
Mm.
Yes. From this one to that one. Okay. So yes, this one. So the asset is turned. Okay, we can make a color. And then we should check whether the account, whether the NFT in Stargates is burned or not. Okay. So we can okay, no problem. Can you see the screen? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. There's no problem. Okay, we can create. This we should create. This is the contract. Yes, the contract address. Contract address, and this is NFT ID. Okay, check it whether it exists or not. Okay. Okay, you will see the not found. So the NFT has burned. Okay. Let's say this is came to Brad. Okay. Okay. So the assets, the NFT is returned to the Uptick chain. So this is the main process of the cross chains. Okay, this is all. So this is the two case. First is transfer from SDK chain to SDK chain. The next demo is transfer from SDK chain to Wasm chain. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Logic is almost the same. Yes, it's almost the same. Okay. One chain is when transfer. One chain is one chain's NFT came to the escrow account, and the other is make a new one, went back and burn the NFT in the destination chain, and the account will back. Yes, the owner will come to the the one. Yes, the original ones. This is the main logic of the yes, there's a cross chain.
That's great. Thanks a lot, Xavier. It's like super clear.
Yes.
Well, thanks a lot for that presentation. That's everything for this episode, right?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, that's all.
Thank you very much. Okay, so we'll cut it there.
Okay,
Thanks a lot,
okay.
Xavier. That was good. That was good. So
Okay.
there's
Yeah,
one
okay.
more. There's one more session. I'm getting a little confused. You also want to talk about the rules and the points and stuff, or what else did you want to talk about?
Okay. Okay, rules and points is that now is not so clear. Now it's not so clear. Just know we will just know that. Okay, you can see the website. It says there were three stages, and we can do the cross transfer with each stage. And how can we get a point and how much point we can get is not announced yet. So it is hard to say. But as we know, if we do the cross-chain test from SDK chain and from Wasm chain, we can got points. So when the rule is announced, we can have we can talk it more detailed, or everyone can see from the website. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Thanks for all the time. It took a lot of effort. Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Yeah, because of network. So okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. See you.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you.